Hi everyone, this is Dave and welcome to a new video on the Geekanoids channel. Now the audio you just listened to was produced by this product here, the Roberts R100, which is part of their R-Line range, and this was very kindly sent out to me by Amazon UK so I could share my opinion with you. Now this is a multi-function device and we're going to cover off many of the features in this video, but before we do so, let's take a look at the design and the build quality. So first of all, the design. We've got this nice silver and white colourway. The silver grille pretty much wraps around the whole circumference of the speaker, and it's topped off by a nice slanting top in the bright white colour and a little white rim at the bottom with some sturdy feet, so it's not going to move around on the surface you place it on. And this is all topped off by this sort of brown leatherette handle, and I like this because it adds a sort of a retro touch to the modern design of the actual radio. Now round the back we've got some connections. We've got a headphone output, an auxiliary input, we've got a stereo control switch, also a USB playback socket, and we've got an Ethernet socket as well. Now you can actually hardwire this to your network, or indeed it will connect to it wirelessly. And you connect it wirelessly using the buttons on the top, and the buttons are really well laid out and they've got a nice responsive feel to them. And right in the center we've got this LCD screen which is going to give you all the details that you need about the settings you're in, and in fact running through the very easy to follow setup wizard. So you connect this to Wi-Fi and then you've got access to internet radio. You've even got Spotify on here as well, and you've also got DAB and FM and DAB+, so this is really fully featured. Now the buttons, you can see we've got a row of buttons across the bottom which gives you some playback control. To the right hand side of the screen we've got up, down, back and select, and to the left hand side of the screen we've got the power on off button and also volume up and down. It's very well laid out and I really do like how intuitive the display is to navigate. We've got sort of a menu driven system where we go up and down through various listings, but we've also got an icon driven menu in here as well, where you can select the feature that you want to use. Now, I must tell you that I set up everything on here without even looking in the instruction manual, but if you do need it, we've got a really nicely laid out instruction manual which is going to guide you through all of the setup procedure and how to use this on a daily basis as well. And we've got additional features like a clock radio in here, so you can set an alarm so you can wake up to music. And we've also got this, and this is really nicely designed. I'll just show you this antenna. You will need to use this if you're using the DAB, the FM or the DAB Plus function. This is a very, very long aerial, and I just like the way that when it comes fully out, you can obviously angle it like you can with a normal aerial, but when it goes back down, all that we see is the little pip, the little sort of white sphere on top. I just really like the way they've integrated that into the body of the radio. Just a very, very nice design touch. And you can see they've put a lot of thought into this as well, because not only has it got some nice features and it's very easy to navigate, but the audio it produces is absolutely fantastic. We've got a combination of tweeters and mid-range speakers in here, and also a bass port on the bottom of the radio as well. Also on the bottom, something I almost forgot to tell you, that's where you actually plug in the included AC adapter. So that's it for this video. If you're looking for a multi-function device which you can add to as well with other products from the range, something that connects wirelessly or wired and produces fantastic quality music from a range of sources, then the Roberts R100 is well worth checking out. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please do hit that like button. Check out the links down in the video description to the Roberts R100 radio, and I'll see you in another video very soon.